So the first thing we're going to do is make our homemade lip gloss or lip balm. So you'll need a microwave safe bowl. You'll need some Vaseline or petroleum jelly. You'll need a spatula or a wooden spoon or a teaspoon. You'll need some cool Kool-Aid. So I'm using black cherry, but I made some before, and this one's mango, which is really good too. And you can use a little bit of sugar if you want it to be sweet inside, but I didn't use it in mine, and it works just the same. So the first thing you're going to have to do is measure out 1/3 of a cup of your Vaseline. You're going to put it in the cup, and then you're going to put it in your microwave safe bowl. And then you're going to heat this in the microwave for 40 to 45 seconds. And then when it comes out, it looks like this. It's a little bit liquidy and soft so that you can stir it all up. And then what you're going to do is add your favorite Kool-Aid to it. It smells so good. And then you're going to stir it up, mix it all together. And then what you're going to do, I used little Dixie cups to put it in, but you can put it in little jars with lids, anything that's airtight. And then you're going to scoop it in there. And then you're going to put these into the fridge for at least 24 hours. And when they're settled, you get lip balm. And it smells good, and it tastes good, and it feels good on your lips. So next I'm going to show you how to bring the nail salon home to you. So what you need is a piece of cardboard box, and I just cut it up. And what you're going to do, if you can see, I traced everyone in my family's hand so that I had different varieties of hands. And you'll need some markers, or I have some glitter paint, washable glitter paint, or if you have extra nail polishes sitting around at home, you can use those as well. So the first thing we're going to do is trace our hand. It doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as you have a handprint. And then what you're going to do with your marker is draw your little nail beds on there. And then I'm going to do my first one with marker, and I'm going to paint them all, or use the marker to color them all in. And you can do whatever you want. You can choose different colors, you can do a rainbow. And then when I get to the other side, I'm going to use my glitter paint to paint the nails. And I think what I'm going to do on this one is a rainbow of colors. So I've used green and purple. There's this really cool pink color. So this is just a fun way to do your nails. So next we're going to make a sugar scrub. You need a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, you need a cup of sugar, a package of your favorite Kool-Aid, and then some food coloring if you want to add some food coloring. And you can add, if you don't want to use the Kool-Aid, you can add some essential oils. So 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of coconut oil. You need to melt that so it's liquid. You can do that in the microwave, in a microwave safe bowl. And then you stir it all up. And then you can put your Kool-Aid in, or your essential oils, and a couple drops of food coloring. Stir that all up, mix it all together, and then you'll end up with this awesome sugar scrub. And it'll last in an airtight container for a long time, and you can use that on your hands, on your feet. It smells really good. Thanks for joining us.